If your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or Plus is overheating while charging, gaming, or using the camera, don't panic. Most of the time, it's normal and easy to fix. Let's see some simple settings and habits that can quickly reduce overheating. First, if your phone is brand new and you just finished the setup, it might warm up during the first couple of days. The system is indexing files, installing updates, and optimizing apps in the background. Give it some time, and it usually settles down on its own. Now, let's go through some quick fixes if it keeps happening. Try to avoid using the phone while it's still charging, especially for heavy tasks like gaming or recording videos. Another thing to keep in mind is direct sunlight. Leaving your phone under the sun for a long time can quickly raise the temperature. So if you're outdoors, try to keep the phone in the shade after a while. Next, let's manage background activity. Too many apps running in the background can increase processor load. Open the recent apps screen and clear unnecessary or all apps from time to time. You can also adjust a few display settings to reduce heat. From Settings to Display, you can turn on dark mode if you want. We're going to keep it light for this video. Also, from this settings, you can manually keep the brightness low when you aren't using the phone or enable adaptive brightness. Also, it's recommended to keep extra brightness off. Scroll down and from Screen Timeout, reduce Screen Timeout to minimum if you don't really need it. The display is one of the biggest power consumers and heat producer on any smartphone. There's also a useful setting inside Device Care. From Settings, go to Device Care, tap on Performance Profile, and switch to the Light Profile. This slightly limits peak performance, but helps keep the phone cooler during regular use. If your phone gets too hot during fast charging, you can simply unplug it for a while. Better if you shut it down and let it cool down before charging again. Talking about charging, there's a setting I want to remind you of. From Settings, go to Battery, to Charging Settings, and just turn off fast charging for a while to check if your device doesn't overheat during charging. And one more helpful tip: always keep your phone updated. Software updates often include thermal management improvements that help control heating. Follow these simple tips and your Galaxy S26 Ultra should stay much cooler during daily use. Simple changes, but they can make a big difference. Thanks for your time.